Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step with this vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, turn light indicator mirrors, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park extension, two tow hooks, Bloch heater, license plate bracket supposed to be right there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got cup holders, a 12 volt, two USB-Cs and 120 volt, and of course if you need more space you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space, BLUECRUISE, parking brake, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 22.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control just right there. And taking a look at our main screen here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you got a fair bit of storage with storage underneath. Cup holders, storage with the USB and USB-C, nice leather up center console with tons of space. We do have our rear locking differential, drive modes, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, plus dual climate, a 12 volt and 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as below. Storage above, we do get a nice rear window opener as well, which is pretty handy. We have our auto stop auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and there's that BLUECRUISE just right there. And looking at your main screen here, you do get your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE24914, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.